Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful collection of fancy tissue designer silk sarees. This art shine material is light in weight and comfortable to wear. Beautiful floral designs are there running all over the body, along with a rich pallu and contrast blouse. One side zari woven contrast big border enhancing the elegance of these collections. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 999 rupees along with a free shipping all over India. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. We will definitely give you a reply as soon as possible. And please note, our payment mode is through only online. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also, if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.